Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix ghost touch on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, let's go ahead first, access our settings, and let's go back first. So this kind of interface, right over here, you simply have to scroll and tap on this option of accessibility, and simply go ahead, tap on this option of touch right over here. Now you will find this option of touch accommodations right over here. All you have to do is tap on it and make sure this is simply turned on, and you can see this option of ignore, repeat, and hold duration. First thing you have to do is tap on it, ignore, repeat. Now tap on OK. So you can see we have 0.10, and within that time of repetition of touch, it won't allow. So if you're doing multiple taps on your phone, so that will simply eliminate the unnecessary touches, and you will want to suffer from ghost touches. First thing, you can also choose to minimize, and 0.10 is the least. You can tap this plus and add more. Once you're done, tap on this whole duration as well. So you can see the duration you must touch the screen before a touch is recognized. So again, the minimal is 0.10 again. So for example, if you simply press and hold for 0.10 seconds, then only the touch will be recognized and you will be able to eliminate all the unnecessary touches again. Make sure to manually add the seconds according to your need, and you will be done. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.